Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Pleased with myself here. This was in the 25 pence box. So 25 pence. I've done a series of these before. I'll have to check how long ago it was I last did one. Lanard toys. These are compressed air powered. You pump air through there, fills up that container there, spin the wheels a little bit to get the piston moving, and off it goes. And they go pretty fast. It's a big rubber bumper on it to try and reduce the damage when it hits things. I've paid various prices for these sort of cars before, but I think 25 pence is the cheapest so far. We'll give it a go. That's my existing collection. So this one is identical to that one. That one cost me 50 pence. I think these are worth much more than that personally, because I love them. And those ones have the pump inbuilt, so you pump them up like that. But this one will use this pump on it. Just give it 4 pumps for now to demonstrate. You have to give the wheels a little spin or give the car a little push to get it going. I love them. The only problem is they usually wheel spin badly. Right, I'll give them a little push. More than that, it's like starting one of those nitro engines. And there it goes. I can't think of any way of actually filming it and being able to get the full run, because they just fly off in all sorts of directions. When you have finished playing with them, you've got to remember to let any remaining air out by giving it an extra spin. Otherwise, there's compressed air in there that eventually leaks out through the seals. I love them. I expect this will end in tears, but I'm going to give it a little try with the mini camera on top. That'll do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.